How to crop an image using Figma. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to your Figma account. Once there, open a Figma file where you intend to work on your image. With the Figma file ready, it's time to import the image you wish to crop. Now, locate the image you want to crop by opening the folder where it's stored on your computer. Simply drag your chosen image and drop it onto the Figma file. You'll immediately notice that your image has been imported into the Figma workspace. Direct your attention to the right side menu. Here, look for and click on the icon labeled Crop Image. You'll see that the crop settings have been activated on your image, allowing you to adjust it to your liking. Begin cropping by dragging any of the 6 available sides to adjust the image to your desired dimensions. Once you're satisfied with your crop adjustments, simply click outside of the image. This automatically saves your edits. If you're looking to export and save your newly cropped image, go back to the right side menu, locate the export section, and click the plus icon to proceed. You can preview the export by selecting the preview option to ensure everything looks perfect. And there you have it.